If we talk about vitamin D, immunity and COVID-19, various studies from the global data from COVID-19 pandemic, researchers have identified a strong association between severe vitamin D deficiency and death rates. Analytical data from hospitals and clinics across many countries noted that patients from countries with high COVID-19 death rates had lower levels of active form of vitamin D than patients in countries that were not as severely affected. This does not mean that every person, especially those without a known deficiency, needs to start hoarding supplements. While we as healthcare providers think it's vital for people to know that vitamin D deficiency might play a role in mortality, we do not need to push vitamin D on everybody. But this needs additional study, and we hope soon we have precision on this. By analyzing available patient data from across the globe, scientists discovered a strong correlation between vitamin D levels and cytokine storm, which means a hyperinflammatory condition caused by an overactive immune system, and an association between vitamin D deficiency and mortality. Cytokine storm can damage the lungs and lead to acute respiratory distress syndrome and death in patients. This is what seems to be the reason for death in most COVID-19 patients, not the destruction of the lungs by the virus itself. Most importantly, we noted that it is the complication from the deceived attack from the immune system. This is where we believe that vitamin D plays a significant role. Vitamin D enhances our innate immune system, but it also prevents our immune system from becoming dangerously overactive. This means that having sufficient vitamin D levels could protect patients against severe complications from COVID-19. It will not prevent a patient from contracting the virus, but it may reduce overall complications and prevent death in those infected. Be very careful to note that patients should not take excessive doses of vitamin D, which might have harmful side effects. This subject needs much more research to know how vitamin D could be used most effectively to protect against COVID-19 complications. It is hard to say which dose is most beneficial for COVID-19. However, it is clear that vitamin D deficiency is dangerous, and it can be quickly addressed with appropriate supplementation. This might be another key to helping protect vulnerable populations, such as elderly patients who have a prevalence of vitamin D deficiency. If you feel any symptoms of vitamin D deficiency, do visit nearest Prime Medical Center.